Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today, listen, there's some awesome deals out there. Considering the fact that the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus is coming out, you got deals coming from Sprint, Verizon, and At&t. So if you're looking forward to upgrading or you were looking at a Galaxy phone, now is the time to buy. Now be mindful, this is a limited time offer. So after you get through with this video and hearing all the info about the deals, you need to either go to Best Buy and or Sprint. I will leave a link in the description where you guys go have a peek at these smartphone deals. And with that, let's go ahead, let's get started. We're gonna start off with Sprint. Now, you can get the Galaxy S8 for $8 a month. I'm gonna say it again. $8 a month. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. You can get the Galaxy S8 Plus for $12 a month. You can also get the Galaxy S8 Active for $12 a month as well. The Galaxy Note 8, $18 a month. Now remember, when the Galaxy Note 8 came out, it was like $40 a month with no deal. So this is a heck of a deal coming out of Sprint. Now Sprint has the best deal out of them all. So if Sprint is your carrier, you need to get down there right away. Verizon. Now Verizon got the Galaxy S8 for like $19 and some change, and the S8 Plus is going for like $22.50, and you got the Galaxy Note 8 for $30 a month. Now that's a slight deal. It's not the best deal, but it's a deal all the same. Okay, now AT&T. The Galaxy S8 you can get for $18 a month. The Galaxy S8 Plus you can get for like $20 a month and some change. And the Galaxy Note 8 you can get for $24.99. Now this is the second best deal you can get. So if AT&T is your carrier, you need to get down there and catch the deal while it lasts. These are awesome deals. I just wanted to put the info out there just in case you were thinking about upgrading and you didn't want the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus and you were looking for an awesome deal. This is it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.